Hello everyone again, guys. Today we are on the HELLCASE website. I have several links for you, which you can find them in the description and comment section. Here is the promo code for you. You can use to make a 10% investment by writing Misy, and be sure to use it. I have another news for you as well. I regularly will do monthly giveaways on this site, and which is I already write down the links in description and comment part. You can use that link and entire this site. After that, you can use this user giveaways part and find us to use the code which is shown there and join this giveaway. Get your prize. Yes, like this, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, touch the like button and share your comments on the below part. Here we go. Okay guys, now again I'm here and I'm not here actually. I am case battle side as always, and our money is not bad, around 1,800, and I will make some battle and see today we are lucky or not. Hmm. I will mix it and which okay, let's go for these two. Oh gosh. And even two this and do this and do this. Okay, enough. We have 5Ks and with bots and start the battle 1400, and let me see what will happen with bots. I hope I can get something interesting, and let me see. Oh my gosh, did you see that? $1,029 at Tronic. Happy, happy, happy. Amazing. I wanna get it really this one. I really wanna get. I really wanna get. Please. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. God save my mind, please. I lost now. It's 3,000. Am I here, right, guys? Guys, are you guys here? Really? Maybe I did something so good and today I'm started so good. Okay, I will do it again. Now, after this, no matter I will lose or win, I already so happy. Important thing is that. And what should I choose one more? We already chose 5. Let's do okay one more this. And one more this. Okay, it's good. And $1,880. Remind. Not remind, remember. Now I'm so exciting actually because pretty high. And let me see. First one. First one. He get it. No, I get it. Passport. Bloodsport. And now Blues tea $1,315. Gosh. What happy. He's so happy. What happened? What happened? So nice. Everything going so good, really. This is the last case. See the result. Now see the result. Crazy, right? Really. I should go some psycholog. I will lose my mind now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Now for Of course, we will go for another case battle. You should do this also, guys. I am suggesting to you guys, do it. Really, it works. Yes, sometimes, some days you are just not lucky, and don't be sad. Try your chance just that. You will get it. Really. See? I was a poor girl. God loves me, really. And 107. Okay, one more, and here. Okay, pretty high. 2,300. I hope I can get this one. I really need it. Really, it's okay, but there is a lot case. Let me see. Okay, I guess exciting. Mm. No, it's so hard. It's so hard. I can't. I need something like 100 kinda. I can't. I'm sad. Why I need to win this hand? I spent a. Did you see? Did you see, guys? You guys here, 557. It saved me. It saved me. Actually, last two case. But I spent more than this. Oh. Celebrate me, please. But that 500 save me. If I didn't get that, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, really so happy, so happy, so happy. Yes, yes, guys. And I wanna close here today's video again. And nowadays we're so lucky. This is the sound of the or unlucky days. I don't know, but pray anyway, enjoy. And I want to remind you guys we have a promotion code which you can use and get 10% refund and refill. I mean, and by the way, we have a giveaway. It's amazing chance. Just join with the code there. You're already right there, and get your prize. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and touch the like button and share your comments on the below part. Thank you so much. Bye.